In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Android default app settings resetting. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. The top solutions to fix default app resetting is going to be first, resetting app preferences, which is going to be the most effective. Simply go ahead and open your settings, head into apps or app management, and then simply go ahead and look for your default applications like the systems and so on, and simply go ahead and try to reset app preferences on these, and also go ahead and clear cache on those as well. So do it on all individual Android system applications, by the way. And once you've done that, you could also try to simply go ahead and reinstall the app. If one specific app like a browser or launcher keeps losing its default status, uninstall it, restart your phone, and install it again. Everything should be fixed that way. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.